Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeover. So for today we are going to be tying this third turban series tutorial. I think this is the third or the fourth, right? So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and also comment. Okay, let's get started. As first, I'm going to be using her Ankara that is 1.5 yard big. The Ankara is in the measurement of 1.5 yard. I'm going to be doing a 50-50 part ratio. I'm going to be starting from the back of her head and then placing it on the back of her head. I'm going to ask her to press the ear area. You want to secure the veil, the Ankara, so that it doesn't fall off. Then I'll twist the top like in a V shaped. The Ankara is in a V shaped when I placed it on her head from behind, and then I twisted it, as you can see, obviously. So after twisting it, I'll ask her to press it down so that I can use a pin to hold it tight on her forehead, like from the forehead area. If you want it to show, the hair to show, you don't need to use a pin again, but I like covering my own hair tie like that. That is why I am always tying the hair tie like this. So I'm going to be tying the back. After twisting it, I will be bringing the hand, not everything. I'm not going to be packing the whole handle of the hair tie like the remnants. I'm not going to be tying it at the back, the whole thing. I'm just going to pick it, making sure it's very tight, and then tie it at the back. And then pull up the rest of the Ankara, and voila guys, you have a turban. Look how cute this turban is looking. You should see how cute this turban is looking. Like, I don't know if the video is even doing justice to this turban, but look how cute she's looking. Like, the pattern is even making, I think I'm going to tie this on using a raw silk, so you guys should stay tuned and see how it goes. But this is the Ankara turban, guys. So if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to send in your suggestions or anything via the comment section. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.